What is cooking? Part 1. Utensils used in kitchen. Good morning, children. How are you all? I am sure all of you are keeping fine and enjoying yourselves at home. When we have studied the lesson Chotu's house, we have learned about the different rooms in a house. Now tell me, in which part of your house do you cook? Yes, we cook food in the kitchen. Who does cooking at home? Yes, of course, your mother. I am sure all of you have observed your kitchen and how your mother cooks food. On page 61 of your textbook, you can see this picture. There are some lines and some dots. Color the spaces which have dots in them. Now what do you see? We can see pictures of some utensils. Utensils are tools, containers, or things that you use in a kitchen. Let's try to identify these things that are found in the kitchen. The first picture that you see, it is known as a kadai. It is also known as a wok in English. The next picture is a ladle. The next one is a pot. Here you can see a skimmer. Then you have tawa or a flat fry pan. Here you see a spatula. Next you have a frying pan. And last, there is a pressure cooker. Now look at this picture. There are a lot of utensils that are seen in the kitchen. Can you name all these? Of course, you may have seen all these things in your kitchen, but you may not be knowing their names. Let's now get to know some utensils by their names. Here you see some utensils. Listen to their names and observe these pictures. Say aloud their names after me. The first picture is of a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. The next picture is a kadai. A kadai, or it is also known as a wok in English. W-O-K, wok. The next picture is known as a tawa. So you have seen both these pictures, both these items in your homes. One is used to roast chapati, while the other one is used to prepare dosa. So it is known as a tawa. It is also known as a flat fry pan. Tawa or a flat fry pan. So let's name these things once again. Pressure cooker, kadai, or it is also known as wok, tawa, which is also known as flat fry pan. Here we have some more pictures. The first is a frying pan. The next is a saucepan. Here we have a pot. This is known as a pan. So frying pan, saucepan, pot, pan. Kettle. We use this to boil water or to make tea, etc. Jug. We also pour water in jug and keep it on the table. Let's see some more pictures. Here the first picture, it is known as a spatula. A spatula is something like a spoon with a long handle, but it has got a flat edge. This is used to lift food, sometimes to stir things, etc. Next one is known as a strainer. A strainer. And the next picture is of a skimmer. Skimmer. Here you have a ladle. A ladle is a long-handled spoon with a bowl-shaped end. Next you can see a spoon. And here is a peeler. A peeler is used to remove the skin of fruits and vegetables. Peeler. So let's learn these words once again. Spatula, strainer, skimmer, ladle, spoon, peeler. You can go to your kitchen and identify all these items at home and name them. Let's see some more things from the kitchen. Sieve. S-I-E-V-E. Sieve. Have you seen a sieve? When you make rice flour, you may have seen your mother use a sieve to separate the fine powder from the big particles. The next is a strainer. This is also very much like a sieve. Sometimes it is also known as a sieve. This is used to separate the big particles that are in a liquid. So you strain tea after preparing to separate the tea from the tea leaves. And here you have rolling pin and board. You use this while preparing chapatis. And here is a plate. You use plate to serve your food into. And you have seen a cup and a saucer. A cup with a saucer. Saucer is a small plate beneath the cup. So let's read these words once again. Sieve, strainer, rolling pin and board, plate, cup and saucer. Now you know some utensils seen in your kitchen. Now what are these utensils made up of? What materials are used in making up these utensils? Let's see. Some of the utensils are made up of iron. Iron is a metal. There are many metals and iron is one of the metals. So iron utensils mostly look black as you see in the picture. What is the speciality of metals? Metals get heated up very fast. If you keep it on the fire, they become very hot quickly. And so you are able to cook your food quickly when you use metal utensils, and iron is one of them. It is healthy to cook food in iron utensils. Utensils are also made up of copper, which is also another metal. Copper, C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Olden days, most of the families used to use many copper vessels, and it is said that water stored in copper vessel is healthy to drink. Another metal that I used while making utensils was brass. Brass utensils are seen even today, but here is a collection of utensils in the olden days. Brass is also very healthy for us, and if you cook food in brass vessels or keep your food in brass vessels, it is healthy. Another metal that is used in preparing utensils is known as aluminium. You may have seen such utensils at home, but it is said that we should avoid using aluminium as it is harmful to our health. Steel. You can see utensils of steel at home. You can see plates, glasses, spoons, and some of the cooking utensils too made up of steel. Sometimes you have also seen glass utensils. You have seen glass plates, bowls, etc. Plastic utensils are made up of plastic too. Here you can see a collection of plastic utensils. They look colorful, but dear children, it's not very healthy to use plastic utensils. Let us try to avoid them. Earthen utensils. Earthen utensils. In olden days, people used to use earthen utensils. As you can see here, a pot is kept on the fire to cook. This pot is made up of clay. So clay utensils are very healthy. The food prepared in the clay utensils tastes good, and it also preserves all the nutrients that are in the food. So it is advised that all of us must use earthen pots at home. Sometimes we have seen wooden utensils at home. This is not used to keep on the fire, but it is used as containers. Spoons are made up of wood. Sometimes chopping boards are seen made up of wood, etc. Now let's try to answer some questions. Name some utensils used in your kitchen. Pot, pan, saucepan, wok, frying pan, tawa, kettle, spatula, ladle, spoon, etc. What are utensils made of? Utensils are made of steel, iron, copper, glass, bronze, earth, or which is also known as earthen pots. What are the benefits of cooking in earthen pots? Food cooked in earthen pot is tasty and healthy. Food does not lose its nutrition when cooked in earthen pot. Earthen pots are nature friendly. Dear children, kitchen is like a treasure house. Go to your kitchen, observe and identify all the utensils that you can see there. Watch this video and learn the names of all the utensils that are given here. Learn the spellings and learn about the materials with which utensils are made of. Thank you.